Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Stacy Chaotic Vids. So I think compilation to. Nakita ko lang siya sa feed ko sa YouTube. Basta parang nasa For You page. Parang ganun sa YouTube. So ayan. And today, birthday ni Stako. And may in-upload ako kanina na TikTok compilation din ni Stako. So ayan. Happy birthday Stako. Kagaya na sabi ko sa video ko kanina na in-upload. We're always here for you. Nandito kaming Blooms para suportahan ka sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mong gawin. And sana lagi kang happy, wag mawala sa face mo yung mga ngiti. And grabe talaga kasi pag ngumiti si Stako, like sobrang precious, sobrang genuine. So sana hindi mawala yung ngiti na yon kay Stako. And ayun nga, nandito lang kaming Blooms. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan, let's start.
Wanna be known for one thing, ano iyon?
Ako po, my personality.
Hey, Stacy the Loud Princess. Our princess.
Pinaparapol sa Christmas party!
Bigas! Pera! Electric fan! Cellphone! Washing machine! Microwave!
May sigaw.
Sopa! Ref! Mga pang
Social
Christmas na
sofa.
ano yung mga putahe, yung mga pang Noche Buena!
Nilahat na.
Ang dami nun.
Angry Princess. Angry pero ano ka, ang cute pa din.
Ito, baby ko makain ako!
Baby. Ito nakita ko na ito, itong clips na yan.
Check my voucher, just say Beanie. You should check our voucher, just say Shopee.
Hey!
Ganun kasarap ang GPS, Glorious, and GPS Jumper.
The Majority family. Yeah. Memories talaga. We celebrated our birthdays then. Now, yun ang what would you like to say?
Pangarap talaga namin ng Jollibee, GBS, Yummies, and BBS para may pangkulam kami sa aming panghabang buhay.
Grabe duo si and Stako and Jo. Hindi pala duo, trio. Sheena at Stako lang sana sasabihin ko pero naalala ko si Jo. Hey! As an athlete. Boom! Foul. As DJ. Hey! DJ na baliktad yung pwesto. As flight attendant.
Uy, mga nag-ano, babagsak na yung plane. Literal.
The one-man being.
Let's try iba-ibang version for yung pag kumakanta. May Ate Aya.
What? Galing ni Stako.
Love it. Next, si Ate Colette.
Let's see.
Mapikit all. There I was, malakas agad. Empty piece of a shell, just minding our own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Someday you're gonna
Grabe naman yung kulit. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng voice.
one day
Mamahal at papakasalan ng lumuran pagsusilbihan.
si Ate Maloy na.
Ang galing ni Stako.
Ate Maloy to. There I was, empty piece of a shell.
Galing.
Just minding my own world
English na ako. I'm impressed. Si Gwen.
Siyempre, pag naka-record ko yun, nakahawak lagi yung Gwen ako Hi, Boots. There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing
All.
my love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. Si Gwen.
Ghost town, my dreams were wearing
Eh.
when you're lost. Where do you begin?
Isang clip to.
Ka na.
Let's see, mix. Maghawi ng buhok.
There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own
Buhalis na ako lahat.
without even knowing what love
Excited ako kay Jo.
were all about.
Eh.
Type of girl that'll make you wanna dream. Type of girl that gets straight up off the street. Type of girl you wanna like to make me free.
Eh.
Type of
Maghawi
girl
ng
you
buhok.
wanna
Jo. Josie ka ba?
Ganyan yan lagi. Pag nag-upo mo yan, laging ganyan. Emote din siya eh. There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing
Cute naman ni Jo dun sa picture.
life were all about.
Anuman makatog sa aking pintuan,
Grabe yung boses talaga ni Jo.
hanap ng makakausap. At ito naman ako, taas pala, nakikinig sa mga kwento mo, paulit-ulit lang. At di nasasaktan.
Okay, next, Sheena.
Shishi.
There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about.
And as if they're heroes to claim,
Eh, ang galing!
you start, and now it's over. Until you kiss my lips and you say me. What?
Gave the world to me before I knew. There I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being.
Parang daming kayang-gayahin ni Stako. Like, kagaya na sa concert nila, di ba? Ginagaya niya yung performance ni Gwen, ni Colette.
To my life.
Kuha niya.
We had the joy. Be honest.
Alam ko tapos na.
And it all began when I met you. When I met you. When I met you.
Pag si Mika maangas.
When I met you, I met you. Nakapikit all throughout and bugang-buga. As in, pininig kahit sa kabilang bahay yung boses. When I met you. When I met you.
The prankster. So, nagpa-proc si Jo again. So, si Jo naman yung laging bunot eh. Apat na.
Alam nyo kasi ang ginawa ni Stacy sa Wheel of Names, ang nilagay lang na maraming pangalan, Joanna at Gwen.
Hol!
Nung umikot yung ruleta, si Gwen at si Joanna lang talaga.
So, tig-apat.
So, ayun, yun lang yung baba.
Salaw!
Basta ako ngayon baka nabasa ko na lang, napatak parang ang daming Joanna. Isahan sila na.
Tapos siguro na nananahimik. Nadamay pa. Eviction night.
Magbababa daw ko eh, magmamaiksis tao.
Sa may 19 na bunch para daw marinig ng mga kapitbahay. Dito. Kailan po?
Getting. Hol! Eviction night.
Grabe, Ben. Nakuha mo na lahat ng atensyon, Ben. Hanggang kanto. Ang lakas kasi nung mic. That was so funny.
Simple.
Si Mika, dali. Don't stop. Kuya, huwag ka na pumasok. Kuya, pasok ka. Yan, perfect. Para sa welcome! Lumabas yung ABS-CBN2! Gina at Katapunan! Gina is a dancer from Sugala and studied at Lapulan University. Masalam! Sa punto natin. Pwede na uwi. Kahit isang round pang ikot dito, huwag lang bumaba. Ayun na, stock. Ayun na, stock. Sumdaming tao. Let us all welcome Gwen Apuri! PDPH! Let us all follow PDPH! Thank you so much! Goodbye, guys!
The BB. Cute. Nakipag-showdown ba naman sa mascot? This one. Inagawan ba naman yung bata? So, ayan, sobrang chaotic talaga ni Stako. Lalo na pag nag-trio pa yan si Jo, tapos Stako, grabe. Sobrang chaotic. And again, happy birthday, Stako, our princess. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!